What is up, YouTube? It's your boy Fabe here, back with another one, and today we got these Pantone Blue Jordan 11 highs. Now these bad boys came out in 2014, but due to wear and tear, the soles will need a little TLC. But no worry, we got that good old Fabes sole sauce. We're gonna ice these bad boys back to perfection. Come with me.
First, let's get a quick little overview of the shoes here to see their original condition. As you guys can see here, the soles are in pretty bad shape. They've been worn down a little bit, yellowed up a little bit, extremely dirty. So we're gonna go ahead and see what we can do if we can go ahead and reverse all this. Now I'm gonna be focusing on the right shoe here, which happens to be on the left side. So I'm gonna give you guys an in-depth look, side-by-side comparison, so you can really see the before and after effects of Fabes sole sauce. And we'll get an in-depth look at the heels here so you can take a look at those creases. Just pay attention because those creases are still going to be there after I go ahead and ice these bad boys up. And a lot of people like to scream fake, so I want to make sure that everybody knows it's the same pair. Now the first thing we're going to do is take our Fabes sole sauce and apply it to the affected area only. Now on Jordan 11s, that happens to be the majority of the sole here except for the pods there. Now, actually, on these Pantone 11s, the pods are white, so if you wanted to, if the pods were yellowed, you can go ahead and ice up the pods as well. But on this pair, the pods are just dirty, so we're going to avoid the pods, we're going to save some product there, and only focus on the clear portion of the soles there. So with a paintbrush, go ahead, smooth your Fabes sole sauce into the soles and give it a nice even coat. Just be aware that on certain Jordan 11 models, you're definitely going to want to avoid the pods there. Now, as you guys can see when I hit the midsoles here, you can get a little bit on the midsoles. It's actually perfectly fine and safe to use on Jordan 11 midsoles. So if your midsoles happen to be yellowed, you can go ahead and apply it to the entire midsole and go ahead and whiten that up. So don't be shy, don't be afraid when it comes to hitting the sides. Now after you coated your soles with that Fabes sole sauce, you want to go ahead and seal it with saran wrap. Now as you guys can see here, I like to use two pieces and have them meet in the middle breaking point of the soles. It creates a nice tight seal, which allows the sauce to stay nice and moist on the soles for a longer, more effective session. After that, you can simply place your soles under sunlight or UV light if you have one. Now, if you do have a UV light, you can extend your sessions anywhere from 24 to 48 hours straight in a single session. Now, after your session is over, simply remove that saran wrap, wash off the remaining sauce with a little soap, water, and some elbow grease, and then compare your results. Now, as you guys can see here, I like to give it a nice pre-rinse, and then I'll go ahead and scrub it with any generic cleaner. And here are the results after just one session at 48 hours in that single session. Now, as you can see, ladies and gentlemen, we got these things back icy. Except for the surface dirt in the heels there. It's still pretty rough to get out, but nonetheless, the rest of the soles are icy. Now, as we get a closer look, yes, there are a few blemishes left. So most likely I'm gonna probably hit another session or two on these things and see what I can get. But as you can see, these things are good. The customer definitely will be happy, but your boy Fabe here, he ain't happy. So I'm gonna go ahead and hit these with a nice spit shine. As you guys can take a look from the side comparison here, yes, look at the creases in the heels. They are the exact same shoe as what I started with. They still got that dirt in the heels there. Like, once again, it's hard to get out. But as you can see from the side-by-side comparison, once again, ladies and gentlemen, these things are icy. They're ready to go. Like I said, most people would stop here and be satisfied and will rock them. But like I said, I'm going to hit them with another session and just to see if I can get them a little bit clearer for the customer. So let's go ahead and see what we get. And it's simply back to step one, ladies and gentlemen, which is coat them soles with that Fabes sole sauce. After this, I'm going to cover it with saran wrap. Then I'm going to place them under UV light once again, and we're going to see what we get. And here are the final results after just 2 sessions at 48 hours each session, totaling just 96 hours of treatment time. Now, as you guys can see here, these things are back to factory perfection. Super icy and super clean, ready to rock and ready to go. The customer's going to be really, really happy with these. Now, as you can see, I still got a little bit of that dirt in the heels there, which was really, really rough to get out. But they're significantly better, and I think the customer's going to be satisfied with them. And I'll explain to them that I couldn't get out that dirt. But there you have it, folks. As you can see, these things are ready to go, ready to be rocked again. So if you made it this far in the video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel, for there'll be plenty more restoration videos to come to show you guys how to use that Fabes sole sauce and ice up all your favorite shoes. And spring is finally here, ladies and gentlemen, so we finally got some sunshine out. You know what that means. Sun's out, soul's up, ladies and gentlemen. So if you need to purchase your bottle of Fabes sole sauce, you can do so at www.fabesole.com, where I offer 4-ounce, 8-ounce, and 16-ounce bottle sizes. Product link is also in the description below. And use discount code FIREWORKS at checkout to receive 30% off your entire order. Now, if you have a specific shoe in mind you'd like to see me ice up, go ahead and leave a comment below and I'll see if I can get to it to give you guys a better example. But that's it for this one, folks. Thank you guys, and I'll see you on the next one.